In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a free video editor for your Windows 10 PC or laptop. This video editor comes with all the normal features that you'd expect to see in a video editor, such as trim and slice. You can also add layers, so you can have like different videos, audio and stuff like that on separate layers. You can also add video effects, animations and also text to your videos. The first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and click on download, and we now need to click on download again. If you're using a 32-bit version of Windows, you need to select 32-bit under the download button. I'm going to go ahead and click on download now, and you now need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we can now run the setup file. You now need to select your language, and you now need to agree to the terms. If you do, press I accept and next, and you can now choose where you'd like to install OpenShot. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive. You then need to press next, and you can now choose if you want to accept it through your firewall, and also choose if you want to associate it with this file extension here, OSP, and also create a desktop icon. I'm now going to hit next and install. OpenShot will now begin to install on your PC or laptop. Once the install has finished, we can now go ahead and keep Launch OpenShot selected and go Finish. You will now end up with a window that looks like this. This is what OpenShot Video Editor looks like. As you can see, it does have a nice tutorial at the start to walk you through the basics of the program. I'm actually going to go ahead and press Hide Tutorial. So down below here we have loads of different tracks which you could add your video files to and then apply them onto different layers. Over on the top left here we have our project files, which is where you will find all your video files when you import them into OpenShot. We can also go across to transitions, which is where you could add a transition to your video files. And you also have effects, which you can also add to your video files. Along the top here, you have a green plus symbol, which you can import your files. And then you also have a choose profile, full screen if you want to make OpenShot full screen. And then we have the red circle to export your video once you've finished editing it. Down along the timeline again, as you can see, we have add track, which you can add more tracks to your project file. You can also use the scissors here if you want to cut your video files. So overall, that is what OpenShot looks like and basically how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.